Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Code Studio, where we build powerful websites without writing a single line of code. And for this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to build these logistic websites with tracking number, shipment timeline, interactive map, where user can print their invoice, and they can also make custom clearance payment where they can choose their payment method like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT and upload the proof of payment. They get the payment verification by their email. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. So I'll be giving a brief overview of this website to show you how it looks and its functionality. It comes with this resolution slider. So here it says professional freight solution. For this section it says trace and track your shipments. You just like enter your tracking number, then you click on this track here. So I'll be tracking the shipment shortly. For this section it says our services. So here you see air freights, sea ocean freights, road transportation. We offer diplomatic balance, secure logistics, warehousing, packaging and storage. So this section it says why choose us. Just scroll the way down. So here it says our impact and achievements. So you can see it comes with a very clean and matured interface. So this section it says what our client says about us. This is the testimonial section of this website. Let me just scroll down. Here's our footer section, Samplex logistic. Here's the quick links, and you can also track your shipment like this. One of the amazing features about this website is that it comes with this translator where user can translate into different languages. I want to translate to Arabic like so. As you can see, the contents of our site has been translated to Arabic. So I'll just translate to English back. So I'll come to this About Us page and show you how it looks. So you can see here's the About Us page. So our company profile, Samplex Logistics, is a private owned premium international freight forwarded, so on. So you can see by the right hand side, come to this image slide and subscribe the way down. So our foundation built on strong values and clear vision, safety fair on advanced security. So our achievements over the past years, you can see. So here's also our testimonial. So I just track a shipment now, so you see how it looks. So you can see track and trace your shipments. So I'll scroll the way down, then I'll paste my tracking code like so. I'll click on track shipments. I'll successfully track shipments. So here it says tracking number. So here's my tracking number. So the current status of our shipment is custom mode. You can see the sender information there, the receiver information, the shipment details, the status information. So here is the shipment progress. As you can see, the package has been confirmed and it has been picked up by the courier. So it's currently on the way and now it's on custom mode. So as you can see, it's comes with this live map. So our shipment origin is from Lagos and final destination is data. Here is the parcel information. So this one is the image of the shipment. So the duty fees to be paid, the weight of the parcel, the pickup dates, expected delivery date, delivery mode is road. So the tracking status is currently on hold. So you can decide to print the receipt of this shipment by clicking on print receipt. As you can see, here's the receipt of this shipment. So as you can see, there's a clearance fee of 1,500 to be paid. So click on back. So I'll click on pay fee like so. You can see shipment clearance payment. So you choose your payment method, whether Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Then you just click on see to payment. So here you can see the payment details. So you can scan this code to make the payment, or you can copy this wallet address and make the payment. So after making the payment, you just upload the proof of payment. So I just upload a random image from my system. So as you can see, your payment proof has been submitted successfully. Please wait for confirmation. So you just wait for admin to confirm the payment. So let me quickly walk you through the admin. So here is our admin dashboard. So we currently have one shipment. So I'll click on manage shipment like so. So you can decide to view the shipment by clicking on view. So as you can see, here's the details of the shipment. So the sender information, package details, the receiver information, the cost information, and the tracking history. You can decide to edit the shipment by clicking on edit like so. So you can edit the tracking number. You can edit the current status from custom hold to delivered. You can edit the sender information, the receiver information, the shipment details, the cost information like so. After editing everything, you click on this update button like so. So you can see we have successfully edited the shipment. So I'll click on this back button. Then I'll be creating a new shipment by clicking on creating a shipment. Here you can see the sender information. So you include the name of the sender. Let me say John Doe. So the sender mail, I'll include my email. So this is the shipment information. So the quantity, how many quantities the shipment, is it 1 or 2? So I'll leave it at 1. Then the weight, I'll just say like 20 kg. So the freight type, I want to say sea freight. So you just upload an image of this shipment. So you set the payment method of the shipment. So do you want it to be receiver to pay or sender to pay or a third party? So I'll leave mine at receiver to pay. So for the packing description, I want to see a box of goods. So for this cost information, you set the shipping cost and the clearance cost. So for this shipment status, you can set it to be order confirmed, picked up by courier, on the way, custom mode, delivered, approved, available, and pending. So for mine, I'll leave it as order confirmed. So for the payment status, I'll just say unpaid. So the delivering percentage, let me just set it to like 5%. Then I'll click on create shipment like so. So you can see this shipment has been created successfully. So here's the tracking number for the shipment. So one of the amazing features about this website is that the package information will be emailed to the receiver of the package. I'll go to my email like this to show you the message I just got. So here it says Samplex Logistics, hello Samplex Tech. So we are pleased to inform you. So here's the tracking number for the shipment. So if you click on this track your package here, it takes you to our website. So I'll open this in a new tab. So as you can see, we have successfully tracked the shipment. I'll come to the admin dashboard again. So I'll come to this shipment deposit. So here you can see here's the 1,500 we deposited earlier. So I'll come to these email services. So here's where you image the receiver of the package. So under this category, you can decide to choose the user. So I can decide to choose the Samplex Tech or Jean Peter. Then I'll write my message. Then you click on send. So that's how easy to image the receiver of a package. So I'll come to this administrator. So you can decide to add a new manager or manage an already existing manager. So I'll click on add manager. So you fill in the first name, the last name, the email address, the phone number. So the type, is it super admin or conversion agent? Then you input your password and confirm the password. You just click on save user. So I'll come to these settings and app settings. So here's where you set up your website information. As you can see, my website name is Samplex Logistics. So let me show you to Samplex Courier. Then you update your website title also. You update your website URL. You update your website address. So if you have a WhatsApp number, you input your WhatsApp number here. So if you have a live chat, also you input the code here. So the year started, you input the year. So the installation type is this subfolder, main domain, subdomain. So you select it, then you upload your logo. You click on update like so. So we have successfully updated our website information. So I'll come to this preference. So here you set up the contact email for your website. So I'll change this to samplextech@gmail.com. If you are using a custom front end and you don't want to use this front end here, so you input your own page URL here, then you click on save changes like so. So I'll come to this email / Google login captcha. So here you set up the email configuration you want this platform to use, whether send me or SMTP. So if you are using SMTP, you just go to your cPanel here, then you create an email account. So you update this with yours, like your email from name. So your SMTP host to your SMTP port, your encryption, username and password. Then you click on save. So for mine, I'll be making use of send me. So I'll leave mine like this. So I'll click on save like so. So you have successfully updated the details of our website. So I'll come to these payment settings. As you can see, we have different payment methods like credit card, BUSD, USDT, and bank transfer, and so on. So you can decide to add a new payment method by clicking on add new like so. So here you fill in the details, then you click on save method. So I'll quickly go back. So let me update this Ethereum. So I'll click on this I button to view. As you can see, here's the minimum amount. So you can decide to update it to 100. So here's the maximum amount. So you can decide to update this. Here's the wallet address. So you just input your wallet address. So let me just type something here. So if you have a barcode, you upload the barcode here by clicking on choose file. So go back. So here's the wallet address network type. So it's currently ERC20. So just click on save changes like so. So we have successfully updated our payment method. So click on back like so. So that's how easy it is. So if you want to know how to create this type of website, let's dive in. So to build this type of website, the first thing you'll be needing is a domain and an hosting. So I've made a complete tutorial showing you guys how to get a domain and an hosting. So I'll be leaving the link in the video description. So I'll go to my file manager like so. I'll go to my public_HTML. So here's my public_HTML. So I'll be working with a subfolder. So I'll click on this folder here to create a new folder. So the name of my folder, I want to say Courier. So here's the folder I just created. As you can see, the folder is currently empty. So you click on this upload button here to upload your script. So you wait for this script to finish uploading. So our script has been successfully uploaded. So I'll go back like so. So I'll click on the zip file. I will do right click. I'll click on this extract here. So after extracting our file, I'll be deleting this zip file here. So I'll go into this logistic folder, then I'll select everything here. So as you can see, the file is currently on this logistics folder. So I'm moving into this Courier folder. So our files has been successfully moved from the logistics folder to the Courier folder. So I will be editing our .env file like so. So I'll click on it. So I'll click on this edit button here. So here's our .env file. So what you want to do is you update your app URL, then you update the database details. So I'll be changing mine from logistics to Courier. So I'll come to my cPanel tools again, then I'll be going to database wizard. So we want to create a database for the website. So I'll give my database Courier. You create a user for this database. So I'll click on this password generator to generate a password for our database. We have successfully created a database for our website. So you come to phpMyAdmin. So here's the database I created earlier. So I'll click on this database. Then I'll be importing the SQL file for this website. I'll click on this import here like so. So our SQL file has been successfully imported. So I'll come to my .env file like so. And I'll be updating my database details. So I'll click on save changes, then I'll copy the app URL. I'll go to a new tab, then I'll paste it. So as you can see, that's how easy it is to build this type of website. So to get access to this script, message me on WhatsApp. To access the admin login page, you go to your app URL /admin login /samples login. Please don't forget to subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.